the fact that PSL franchises have already started their work. One such franchise who has been supporting all kinds of initiatives throughout Pakistan, and I think one of the very few that has been going hand in hand with different organizations for a lot of social work indeed at the same time as well. And now they're stepping in to provide basic healthcare and professional training to skill development as well at the same time to different people that are the franchise of Peshawar Zalmi that have been, of course, putting a lot in place. You look at their healthcare projects, and now they've partnered up with an MOU that has been signed by the Peshawar Zalmi Foundation and the Arar Group at the same time as well. And the Zalmi Foundation would be working in areas of public healthcare. Both groups would jointly be providing skill development and training. The MOU was signed at a ceremony in Peshawar, and of course it was signed there in this ceremony, and it is going to be all about this as well. Now I've been joined on a line with the CIO of the Peshawar Zalmi Foundation, who's going to be joining us. Assalamu alaikum, sir. Welcome to Sports Extra.
Assalamu alaikum. On behalf of the entire team of Peshawar Zalmi and Zalmi Foundation, our chairman Javed Afridi Sahab, assalamu alaikum and thank you for having me.
Right, Dr. Cedric Edwin, we've got to talk about the fact that global healthcare is something that we see reforming, especially in the testing times of the COVID-19 pandemic. Peshawar Zalmi has gone a step above sports activities. They're now going to be partnering with the Arar Group for healthcare especially and skill development at the same time. How important would you see the MOU signing at a time when this is a need of the hour, sir?
Well, this is of paramount importance. The Zalmi Foundation and Arar Group have been conducting research on the spread of this virus for many, many months now, and we have found out certain key areas in which this virus is being spread quite fast, and we have identified those areas, especially the hospitals and the paramedic staff, and we have developed certain programs for them so that we can contain this virus as much as we can. And as you know, it is very famously said in the health sector that prevention is the best cure. So we are ensuring that we take the necessary measures to prevent as much as we can. And as you know that the Zalmi team has the players and the stars and the reach among the teenagers and the youngsters that it can influence their mindset, and it can help them understand this pandemic more easily.
Definitely. Dr. Cedric Aimal Edwin, you said that the Zalmi Foundation, a non-profit initiative of Peshawar Zalmi, strives for health education, vocational training development program and youth mobilization. Sir, we understand that Pakistan is one of the few countries that has a youth potential and a population of the youth of more than 60%. How is this going to be a game changer, sir, when we see that our youth, especially those who do not belong to privileged backgrounds, are given this sort of training and they can contribute to the national economy?
Yeah, so let me give you a little bit of a background, if you don't mind. As you know, that Peshawar Zalmi was established in 2015, and it was in our DNA that we were very socially responsible. We had many CSR activities. Just to name a few, we have just conducted our Madrasa League, a group of students who are often ignored from the limelight. We took the students of Army Public School Peshawar to Dubai twice to see the PSL matches and interact with the team. We launched our new kit at the Shaukat Khanam for the kids there, and we organized various different sports galas for the minorities and the differently abled. So we strongly feel that sports creates harmony, it creates discipline, and it can be used as a vehicle to impart skills. Now, talking about Zalmi Foundation as of today, and you rightly mentioned that it's a not-for-profit organization, it's a skills development and competence building organization, and you know that a lot of people all along in this country are working towards the digitalization of the economy and imparting digital skills. And now Zalmi Foundation is working in 5 main sectors to digitalize and to help create the digital Pakistan dream. And these 5 sectors are ICT and vocational training. These are tourism, health, of course, sports is definitely there, and responsible citizenship. So these are the 5 broad areas in which we will be identifying different kinds of courses, virtual and on-site courses, and we'll be trying to make sure that the youth knows how to digitalize these processes.
Definitely indeed. Dr. Cedric, Aimal, Edwin, thank you so much and congratulations to you and the Zalmi Foundation for this great initiative, sir.